Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Samsung Galaxy Tab T220. The screen is completely shuttered as you can see, but still this one turns on, okay? And if you want to buy the new one, it would cost you more than £100. So it's really good to give it a replacement because the replacement screen would cost you around £25 or £26. You can buy it from eBay. As you can see, this one comes with the digitizer and screen by itself. Okay, so to perform this repair, I would say this is secondary level replacement. That's mean you need to have patience, right tools, right place to do, and then you can do it yourself. Okay, for tools, I would say we need tweezer, flat opening tool, metal and plastic, as you can see, and also we need Phillips screwdriver in case if you need to remove any screws or anything, and then you need these two things. Okay, this is double-sided tape and this one T8000 adhesive. Okay, this is the liquid form. It's really good for bonding, especially if you want to replace any screen or anything. Also, you need to have hair dryer to blow the heat as much as possible. Make sure you make the adhesive underneath the screen, okay, because this one secured to the screen with the adhesive very strong. So once you blow the heat on the top on the broken screen, it's going to melt down the adhesive and easily we can remove the cracked screen and clean it up, put it back on. So let's do it. All right, so make sure you switch it off completely and take this out. And then if there is any SIM or memory card slot, make sure you take this out. This is the first things to do. All right, now we'll try to open up this back cover if possible. Let's check. All right, so this one, it seems completely different because I can see from the pattern. All right, so first things, we need to remove the back cover, which is very simple to do. Take out the SIM tray, as I said, and take a flat opening tool and try to make a gap. Once you get in, spudger it out like this, side by side. Okay, so 3 sides already done. Now one more side, just the front top one. And that's how simple it is. Okay, so first things that you need to do when you do this sort of replacement, disconnect the battery. So we need to take out this bracket, which one secured. Okay, and that top bit. Okay, so this is the speaker section. Keep it like this. And first things to disconnect it, I'm going to take any sort of plastic, or you can use the fingertips. Easy. Then make sure you put it like that so it doesn't get any short circuit or anything. And most challenging part here, to take out this battery. Okay, this is the most challenging part because the LCD flex, if I show you in the replacement, you can see. So this is the LCD flex. It goes under the battery and comes up here. Okay, to take this out, we can follow these two stripes. Hopefully it would come back like this. Gently. Okay, this is the first one, and second one is right here. Gently take this out first. This is much better. You see how simple it is. Now the battery will pop there. So you don't need to squeeze or anything, in original shape. All right, so now it has 3 connectors. Let me show you the replacement. 1, 2, 3. So 2 are here, 1 should be down here. So that means we need to take this part off as well. Keep on track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the screws. Now we'll try to pop this. Keep it here, disconnect it. Disconnect this too. Now we need to apply some heat to make it softer so we can pull this off from the actual frame. Okay, to do this I have some sort of equipment. Let me show you. Okay, I set this up 112 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to leave this like that for 5 minutes, and then it should be much more easier to pull this off instead of fighting and struggling with the flat opening tool. All right, so this one left for 10 minutes. Alright, so finally it has done. I tested the screen, it works fine. There is no issues or anything, even that is a copy. So follow this video like that and it will be absolutely fine. Be careful with the broken glass because that could be potential hazard for your skin. And of course, when you're handling the heat, you have to be very careful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.